If you own shares in a business, the value of that business is based on its future profits. Take Coca-Cola for example. At the time of making this video, shares in the Coca-Cola company are trading at a price of 22 times earnings. That means the total value of the company is 20 times that of its annual profit. The important point is this. When someone buys shares in the Coca-Cola company, they're not expecting to personally sit there for 22 years collecting every pound of future profit. They understand that what they're buying is a claim on the future cash flows. If they sell the shares tomorrow, next year, or in 10 years' time, providing the company hasn't gone bust, the future profits of the business are still there. And that future value is reflected in the price that someone else is willing to pay for the shares. Typically, if the business has improved, its future profits will look even more positive, and that improvement will be reflected in an increase of the value of the shares. That's the same with a rental building as well. The value of the rental building is based on a multiple of its annual income, usually 14 to 16 times. Landlords don't avoid buying a building because they're not confident they'll hold the building for 14 years. They understand that someone else is willing to pay for the future cash flows generated by the building, and the value of the building is based on the ability to make money from it in the future. Solar works in exactly the same way. When you invest in a solar system, what you're doing is buying an energy generating business for your roof. As with Coca-Cola, as with any business, and as with a rental building, the value of that business is based on its future cash flows. In the case of a solar system, the value of the system is based on the value of the electricity that the homeowner or tenant will not have to buy from the grid over the next 25 years. What you're doing when you invest in solar is buying 25 years worth of electricity up front. By spending, for example, £8,000 to install a typical solar system, your return is 25 years plus worth of electricity, which is often worth well over £30,000 when you factor in the average rate of electricity price inflation over the past 25 years, and assume that electricity prices will continue to increase at the same rate. Your £8,000 investment in solar is worth over £30,000 on the day the system is installed.